What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. We're sitting at 0.030. We're up 3.6 on the day. See market cap 828 million, 24-hour volume 122 million. Let's hop to the chart. So we probably talked about this in our last Gala video as well as in the Discord. If the neckline breaks, it's a bear trap. And you should see that push to the upside. So it now becomes more likely, because we broke that neckline, that we get an impulse in a wave 5. That could take you all the way up to 0.038. My break even for Gala, which is my largest investment, is like 0.033, 0.032. So that would be nice because I'd be in the green. Anyways, so what you'd be looking at, potentially micro count 1, 2, pushing up in the wave 3, pull back into 4, push up in a wave 5 to take you up to 0.038. Of course, anything can happen. We can roll over and come down. I just think the higher probability, because we broke that neckline, is that this was a bear trap, and now you're going to put in that higher high towards 0.038. I do think BTC and Ethereum will push. Ethereum's pushing right now. Was BTC just a little bit. Push a little bit higher and allow Gala to put in that higher high. That's what I'm looking for. Just take it with a grain of salt. All right, guys. So if we put in that higher high, be cautious because we're likely to print a bearish divergence. As you can see, as we're continuing higher, we're losing strength on the RSI. So even if we put in that higher high, I think there's a decent chance we continue to print that bearish divergence, which means that eventually you're going to see that pullback. Ba-boom. And that will give us our next trade opportunity. But if we were to push all the way up to TP4 at 0.039, that'd be awesome. From our entry, that would be a juicy gain of almost 200%, 186%. You can gain completely free access to my trade signals. Just hang around. So that's what I'm looking at. Fake out to the downside, push up towards 0.038. Any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5. But the normal target is a 61.8 at 0.038. That's what I'm looking for Gala Games. If you want completely free access to my signals, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC. Make your first deposit. If you deposit $100 or more, you get a 20% bonus in your futures account. So if you put $1,000 in your futures account, you get $200 completely free to trade with. If you put $100, you get $20. My subscribers only. Just email me after you've made your deposit, and I'll also give you free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. I just gave a signal for BTC yesterday. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, my how to all plays, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place with a sign up to BTCC and a first deposit, and then send me an email or sign up to the Patreon, $10 a month, all links down below. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.